Hi there, Mr. D here with this awesome tutorial of the Nutcracker first violin part by Tchaikovsky arranged by Phillippe. So, I'm first going to do it slowly and going to talk to you about the different parts. So start in third position. So your first finger is on D and then so you have that hand shape right there. Okay, so we're gonna start piano. And did you see how I made the crescendo and I made each one of them grow? So one more time, start quiet. Okay, so it's more important to start soft and to play fourth finger on several places. I'll tell you where. Here it can be open. Here you play with fourth finger. Now you go to half position, but reset immediately for the fourth finger. So you might want to practice this. You can move the hand if you can stretch. So watch it. Now I make a little crescendo. And very determined bow on that. Okay, so I'm going to do the next one, which is the same dynamics, the same requirements. The crescendo starts a little bit earlier this time, so we're gonna start in third position again. Okay, if you notice, I went to third position right here. So let me go back to this. Open string, open string, definitely fourth finger, and again fourth finger, fourth finger again. Now you can go here with 2 on that E, so now you're in third position, and you high one, and then you're comfortable. This is a superior fingering to staying in first position. To get that in tune with these 2 fingers might prove difficult for some of you, so I recommend go here in third position. Okay, now you start a little bit louder here. Okay, now let's make those 2 notes go with decrescendo. Okay, did you see the particular manner that I played it? So I pulled the bow abruptly. Now I'm going to do it slowly for intonation to practice it that way. Now I'm going to do it a little bit faster, but not as grace notes, still for intonation. Now we're going to transition it to regular. Okay, now faster. So basically what happens is I lift the bow as soon as I play the grace note and I play the second note. With the drop of the finger, I lift the bow. Does that make sense? Okay, and then we watch the dynamics. We start strongly, less, more, grow here. Okay, and then again. Now, here is a good question of where exactly to go to third position in those transitions. Okay, so after you do right now. Crescendo. Go here. Now this one is forte. Third position. Okay, I hope that movement makes sense now. Now we're going to go to the dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy. Now these, I will still like them in third position, and what we're gonna do is we're going to play détaché with a particular sound. Okay, let's work for intonation a little bit. Okay, now let's go and play it normal. Okay, here's the next one for intonation slowly. Okay, now tempo. Okay, and the next one is the same as the beginning. Notice that I'm not stuck down here. That changes totally the tone quality. If I'm up here, I kind of get the right weight and the right expression for that part. Okay, so after 17, you can go a little bit lower here, so around the middle. Okay, now you can play open string. I would prefer fourth finger. Now I have a big fourth finger. I can put my fourth finger on both strings at the same time. You see that? Now some of you might have to turn the hand. I would not recommend lifting the finger and then putting. I don't recommend lifting the finger from string to string and hopping. You have to find the shortest path of getting the finger from one string to the next one. Does that make sense? Okay. Now, this fingering and the next part would work best if it is third position here. Okay. Now the next part. Did you see how I sped up the bow? Safe. Okay, so here are a couple of things that you can do. So stay here in first position. Now go in third position. Now go. And for added volume, I go to E string right here. And to reinforce strong fingers, I may even go in third position like this. Okay, then you go back to the beginning. Now middle. Okay, so I hope this is a good tutorial for practice. Now we're going to the trepak. So the bowing that I recommend here, I know it's it's awkward because you are playing loud, and then on the up bow where it's super uncomfortable, you're supposed to go soft with control. And always I get people that their bow bounces there. So my recommendation is to change the bowings to up. Now you get the sforzando on a down bow, and that is an advantage. So up, down, and up again. Now notice I'm putting the finger on both strings. Now notice that when I put the second finger down, I slid the third finger from both strings just to the A string. Okay, so did you see that motion? Watch it again. Both strings. I'm okay if you play here open string. The only drawback is that this feels a little bit uncomfortable, but that's a minor inconvenience compared to the issues that we get with the other bowing. So, okay, so I'm going to go from the beginning now. Okay, now again. This section is the same as the beginning, except the dynamics are one notch higher. Now finish though with a good articulate. Now here is the cello part. So okay, and then it repeats, and then it goes to the capo, which is the same thing. And now I'm going to go do coda. So here best is you follow the patterns. That's half of it. Now it starts again. Second half of it. Now it changes. Okay, now it continues that way. Now it starts with pattern of 2. One more time. Okay, now I'm gonna do it without talking, and you listen for the patterns. Okay, I hope that makes sense, and good luck practicing.